Corey's first birthday. Oh.
We got some snow on her face.
Daddy just dumped her in the snow.
You okay?
With the cows in the background.
Try again. Get snow on her face stuff?
Yes. Oh, it's cold, huh?
Sorry about that.
Hi.
Sorry about that. You ready to go for a ride?
Let's go for a ride. Vroom.
Here we go.
Vroom.
It won't go as fast.
Let me see.
She can't even move.
It's like a Christmas story. Your arms don't even go down. See your face.
It's not very fun, is it?
Absolutely miserable.
Not very fun, is it?
We'll just hold ya.
Come here. Come here.
I think she'd like to go down the hill if we could find a sled.
I'm sorry.
Hi! Look at the cows! Look at the cows! What does the cow say?
What's the cow say? What's the cow say? Sorry I dumped on your head. Wasn't very nice.
Things are going well until then.